cake plates. There's only 2 different ones to choose from, and I'm going to show you both. This one is called Winter Whimsy, and you will see it has the gingerbread man, the snowman, the reindeer, the penguin, etc. And it has the flat bottom, it's raised, but look what's happening over here. The reindeer and the snowman are crawling up, and that stays that doesn't come off and on. That stays just like that. And so you get this cake plate that is just adorable and nice and big, 11 inches in diameter. Then this is the other one, and Tara, we know this one just screams your name all over the place because this one is called poinsettia, and it also has the red cardinal. I love these. I mean, seriously, they're absolutely stunning. Look at that.
Well, and you have the cardinal on the base as well, 2 of them on either side, and those are embossed. So what does that mean? That means that cardinal is actually raised.
Yeah.
So you have that classic, beautiful poinsettia pattern. You have all of the detailing and everything, even that rope border that runs around the edge of that beautiful cake plate.
Right.
But also think about it, of course, for all of your appetizers, your desserts, things that you want to, maybe the Landy's candies, today's special value would be great to display on here.
Yeah.
But also, Mary Beth, look at what I did here. Think about this also as your centerpiece, where maybe you tuck in your flameless candles. I tucked in some of the packages that are also available. You can go to QVC.com. There's other items that you're not going to see in the show that are also available that would work perfectly. So now you have that gorgeous pedestal cake plate, all individually hand painted, everything you've come to love from Temp-tations. And now you can use it as a centerpiece, or of course, you can use it as the hero on your table for your beautiful cakes and desserts.
And here we actually, like you say, we put the Landy's candies, pretzels on there. Here we made it more of a cheese and meat platter with the, different cheeses, etc. And you can do that. We also have these things that are coming up a little bit later that look like little packages that can kind of hold the names of what the cheeses are if you want to do that. Very, very pretty. But over here, we end up having this big, huge cake. This is the one that I stuck my card in. And I think I did that, I think just so I could lick my hand. But check that out. That is a massive size of cake, and the plate handles it.
And these are like special edition pieces, Mary Beth, or limited edition. We choose these holiday patterns. I create and design these, and then you most likely won't see them again this time next year. So a lot of times with these specialty pieces like the cake plate, it's one of those really memory making pieces. Every year you take it out year after year, and it becomes that really special way to present, of course, all of those great details. So if you love the whimsy and you love kind of that really charming characters that you see there, the bulbs that run all the way around the edges, the cardinals floating around, and then of course the stacked characters getting to the top there. Or you want something maybe a little more serious, maybe you have poinsettias already and you want to incorporate that with the beautiful cardinal. Think about this as a nice gift also for someone that always looks for cardinals as a way of remembrance. You have 3 different cardinals on here, which is so lovely.
Tara, one thing I was wondering is, don't you have dinnerware or even other baking pieces that have some similar to this?
Yes, we do. And we've started to incorporate the cardinal into the poinsettia because so many people, I do that in honor of my dad, have been asking for that. So I love that special touch. That's what makes these pieces so special. And like we said, limited edition, because the likelihood is we won't do these again next year.
Wow, this is stunning. I mean, when you think about it, and I wish you could hold it. Now, obviously, you're not going to put this in the dishwasher, okay? All of her pieces are dishwasher safe, but I mean, when you're talking about a
I would hand wash that, yes.
I would definitely hand wash that too. The only other thing I was going to say though is, I don't know if I'd do this, but could that go in the oven?
I would not put that in the oven because of the 2 pieces being bonded together. So no, I would keep that out. But you can, of course, put very hot things right on top of it, very cold things right on top of it. But really, truly, think about this. You want to hand wash this, protect it, and then take care of it. And you'll have it year after year.
Hey, by the way, we have some beautiful rugs that are available. Speaking of the winter whimsy, look how cute this